Hey family, guess what I found at the grocery store? Sugar cane. This is called sugar cane. Who knows what it is? Have you seen this before? Yeah, it brings back memories of Africa. Yeah, this is sugar cane. I found it at the Fiesta grocery store. I'm going to prep it and cut it into tiny slices and taste. I'm going to test it and see how it is. I'm going to wash this. Wash it. Wash it. Wash it. Again. So it's nice and clean. I washed it nice and clean. Now I'm going to cut it into small bits based on this parts. I'm going to chop it into small bits. So I have a granite countertop. So I am going to cut this sugar cane. Let me wipe the top with disinfectant wipes. Okay, so yeah, this is a granite countertop, so this stone, I can actually cut the sugar cane right on it. So I'm going to cut it from here. I'm going to cut it as deep. So this is the sugar cane chopped into pieces. You can go ahead and chop it more into smaller pieces like this. Yeah. You can go ahead and chop it into smaller pieces. So be careful with your fingers as you cut it. So this is how it looks like. Okay, this is how the chopped up sugar cane looks like. Yeah, so all you do is you just try to yeah, this is sugar cane. Sugar cane is nutritious. This is how it looks.